Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can join or you can get CapCut Pro for free. So without purchase the plan, you can get it for free with a limited time, of course. So all you have to do is just invite friends here. But before that, you can install this CapCut PC version first. You can download it from official website. And after that, you can open and sign in first. Sign in with your account. Then you can invite your friends and you can get a free Pro. Here you can enjoy Pro benefits on both CapCut mobile and desktop. You can get up to 70 days of free Pro by inviting 10 of your friends. No credit card required, no auto renewal. For each friend that install and launch CapCut Desktop from your invite link, you will be both get a 7-day free Pro. So all you have to do is just copy invite link, and after you copy, you can share into your friend and let your friend install this CapCut. So good luck. And the second way, this is very simple. You can create your project. For example, you can use stock material for practice and drag here, and try to use a pro animation, for example, like the combo one here. This is the pro, and you can try to full screen. And if you're aware, I record this, so you can save your record. You can record first and then try to import your recorded video here, and the video that you record, it contain pro effect. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.